Okay, I wanted to demonstrate for you very quickly thing I just found today, which is Google SketchUp. I didn't find it, somebody recommended it to me. So here it is, I just opened it up. This is your starting screen. You can change the starting screen to give you different aspect ratios and different angles and different, basically different layouts. You can rotate it 360 degrees, you can zoom in, zoom out. But I'll get started. I want to draw a dome for you. And the scaling of this can get as big as you want. So theoretically, you can actually build a demonstratable city drawing in here. All right, so let me get started. I'm going to start off with a circle. It gives you quick reference points. And I'll give you a quick demonstration on how to draw one of those Jacques Fresco's domes, Jacques Fresco and Roxanne Meadows. Let me see. No, I'm not going to do that. I'll make it a little bit easier. Up here on the left-hand side, there is a arc tool. You basically start off on one end, and you click both sides, and then you just draw upwards for an arc. And since I cannot tell how tall this is, I go up here to this rotation tool, and I'll go to this view. Makes it a little easier for myself. Go back to my arc, and I'm going to make my arc about this tall. So I'm done with that, right? Now I'll rotate over and give myself a nice square view. Rotate again. I'm drawing inside this, as you can see, about a foot because the bottom part of this dome is actually the concrete. It's the, the concrete cement platform for it. Anyways, and then the dome of itself sits on top of that, and then you have a walk around. All right, so I'm going to keep making these arcs. You can draw this entire thing by making arcs, and the SketchUp actually makes it really easy for you to find your arc points, or actually your starting points of things. It just gives you a green little dot, boom, boom, and boom, boom. I'm just going to keep doing this same function, and you can see I'm drawing the front of my dome here. It's probably a little tall. It's not perfect, but it works. And I'm going to rotate, I draw another set of arcs here, boom, 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 and I'm going up with my arc. And it looks about right. I'm going real quick with this, boom, 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 boom. Draw my outer shell so I have a reference point to work off of. Drawing it again. And these reference points can be used later, and they can also be deleted really easily. And rotating one more time. I'll zoom out a little bit so we can see. Put my arcs in. Very, very simple. Put my vertical arc first, I guess. And then my outside arc. So I drew the entire dome with nothing but arcs. And now you can see dome, and we have Roxanne staying in the middle. You can also fill in from here. You can draw more arcs if you like. Put one right here, a little bit of a smaller one. And then you can do the fill-ins and make the full dome if you want. Now, what's really interesting about this, so basically I have my first dome. I have to do a lot of fill-in, a lot of paint, but boom, done. Now I can scroll out. I can put in another dome right here along this reference point. Boom. Another dome. Boom. Another dome. And theoretically, you can build a whole darn city system. This one does a 360 rotate, for example. So after you build your city, make it nice and complex, you can actually do fly-throughs. It won't be as beautiful as some of the 3D modeling, but it'll get the job done. So there's plenty of tutorials for Google SketchUp, but this thing is very, very fast. I'll throw in another dome right here. Draw me a couple of lines. Actually, I'll make a rectangle. So it's ridiculously simple, as you can see. And then you can be doing a webcast and say, hey, this is my design of the city. This is why you'd want to do this. See, this distance between this point and this point is shorter than if you make a square city. So, for example, go over here to the right, pan out a little bit, and I'm going to build a city of today. And there's a really cool feature right here. Boom, just made a 3D building that quickly. If I want to make a doorway into it or out of it, a garage, boom. Oops, I don't want to do that. I want the other one. Boom. So obviously, this is really, really nice tool to have. Very simple, free, and like I said, you can do exactly what I'm doing and do a nice quick demonstration of a layout, architecture. You can get very detailed with it. It has a tape measure tool, so you can say, oh, how long is this part right here? Down here on the right side, 16.31 meters. That can be represented in inches and feet also. So you can do everything to scale. You can get very detailed with it, and obviously pros could probably do some amazing things with this. And if you want to give some demonstrations as to resource allocation or locations by a river, you can do all kinds of fun stuff. And so the scaling is really nice of it, and you can make these very, very complex. And then you can even upload your set into Google Earth and have this laid out onto a Google Earth platform. And then we can do some planning as far as what is the most efficient usage of layouts of the cities throughout the entire Earth. And that would be a crazy, crazy big job. But anyway, quick example of Google Earth itself. Let's see if I can copy and paste this entire thing. Control copy. I want to paste it here. Oh, there we go. Boom. And boom. I want it to go here. So it even does the scaling for you. That's really nice. Very, very cool. Obviously, this is very fast, very quick, and very ugly right now, but it could be a lot better. All right, that's my demonstration of Google SketchUp. It downloads to your computer. It's free. There is a pro version that you can pay for, but I just recommend playing with this, learning with this, and this would be a good little expertise, a good little something to train yourself on. All right, we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.